Hey guys, this is Tomer from Reliable. As you can see, we already got started. Today we're replacing a door. As you can see, the door is already here in pieces. We brought the exact same door, just gonna look new. This door, someone drove into it and the owner is trying to sell the house. So to save on cost, we keeping everything the same, track, spring, everything stays the same. The system is about 2.5 years old, so no need to replace anything but the sections. Hey guys, so we're all set. We have a brand new door. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. We have a few things to put back into place, which is the molding over here and on the top of the door. The owner wants to sell the house, so we want to make it pretty. What we're also gonna do, we're gonna take this chain. It's hanging low. We're gonna tighten it up. If you see the chain hanging down low like that in your garage, it's not the way it's supposed to be. It can come off its place. It's too loose. One more thing that I want to show you, if you live in North Carolina and a lot of other southern states, this piece is called wind load. Okay, what it does is basically prevent your door from flying away when a big strong wind comes into your area, like a tornado. It's required by some counties, and each county have its own requirements. So if you're trying to sell the house, or if you're buying a new house, find out what is the wind load that is required by the county. An inspector can say something about it, and have a garage door technician come by and put it in. Or if a garage door technician comes by your house and he doesn't put it in, ask him to put it. You just need to find out what's the requirement.
To take a moment on behalf of the Thomas family, we want to thank Reliable Garage Doors for coming out doing such a excellent job in replacing our garage. We give him a 100% customer satisfaction. Good job, and we want to say thank you.
Thank you, sir.